Have you ever considered the vastness of space? Even the most powerful telescopes can only see a tiny fraction of the universe. What other mysteries might be out there, just beyond our reach? This sense of wonder also extends to Earth's animal kingdom, which is full of fascinating oddities. Some species can regenerate limbs or communicate through complex electrical signals. At Fascinating Facts Daily, we're on a mission to uncover these hidden wonders. We piece together the incredible stories of the creatures that share our planet and unravel the secrets of the universe. Get ready to have your mind blown by astonishing facts. Prepare to see the world and beyond in a whole new light. 30 interesting facts. 1. Do cats dream in HD? Cats spend 70% of their lives asleep, experiencing REM cycles just like humans. This means they likely dream vividly. What do these furry friends see in their dream world? 2. How many people could fit in Texas? With an estimated 8 billion people on Earth, it seems like a lot. But if we lined everyone up shoulder to shoulder, they would all surprisingly fit comfortably within the borders of Texas. 3. Does the Queen own all the swans? Believe it or not, the reigning British monarch technically owns all the unmarked swans in open waters of England and Wales. This is a historical tradition that continues today. 4. Hiccups in space. Same, but different? Astronauts can hiccup in space, just like on Earth. However, because of the lack of gravity, the hiccups wouldn't cause the diaphragm to move as much, making them feel slightly different. Imagine a hiccup without the full body jolt. 5. Sloths. Sleepy champions of breath holding? Sloths are the slowest mammals on Earth, but they're also surprisingly good at holding their breath. In fact, they can stay underwater for up to 40 minutes, longer than most dolphins. This hidden talent helps them survive in water while searching for leaves. 6. Is there a planet made of diamonds? Scientists believe they've found a planet called Kepler 10b, located 1,700 light-years away, that might be mostly made of diamond. Unfortunately, with the surface temperature exceeding 2,700 degrees Celsius, it's not exactly a vacation destination. 7. Pizza, an ancient recipe. We love pizza today, but there's evidence that ancient Egyptians enjoyed flatbreads topped with meats, vegetables, and herbs, considered a very early version of pizza. This shows how some culinary traditions can last for thousands of years. 8. The world's tiniest tenant. The title of world's smallest vertebrate goes to a tiny frog called Pedophrine amauensis. These frogs are only about the size of a pea and could easily fit on your fingertip. Imagine having such a miniature roommate. 9. Bananas. Berry surprise. We often think of strawberries as berries, but botanically, they are not. Bananas, on the other hand, are actually classified as berries, even though they don't quite look like the typical small, round berry. 10. Nature's underwater light show. Certain deep-sea fish have bioluminescent organs that produce their own light. They use this light to attract prey, communicate with each other, or even camouflage themselves. This creates a dazzling underwater light show unlike anything we see on land. 11. Can you talk to a butterfly? Butterflies may seem silent, but they can actually communicate with each other using sound. They release ultrasonic clicks and whistles that are too high-pitched for humans to hear. What messages are these tiny creatures sending? 12. Does lightning strike twice? Literally. The saying, "lightning never strikes twice in the same place," is actually a myth. Lightning can strike the same spot multiple times, especially tall objects that act as conductors. So, next time there's a storm, it's best to stay indoors. 13. Can you smell colors? A rare neurological condition called synesthesia causes people to experience a blending of senses. For example, some people might smell a specific scent when they see a particular color. Imagine tasting music or feeling emotions as colors. 14. Do dogs see in color? While not as vibrant as human vision, dogs can actually see in color. They have two types of cone cells in their eyes, allowing them to distinguish between blue and yellow hues. However, their red and green vision is less developed compared to humans. 15. Can you outrun a T-Rex? Maybe, although Tyrannosaurus rex was a fearsome predator, it's possible a human could outrun it. For a short distance, T-Rexes were incredibly heavy, and their running speed is estimated to be around 17 miles per hour. While Usain Bolt wouldn't outrun one, a speedy human might have a chance in a short burst. 16. Why do we have hiccups? Hiccups are involuntary contractions of the diaphragm, the muscle that separates your chest from your abdomen. They're caused by irritation of the diaphragm's nerves and usually only last a few minutes. While annoying, they're generally harmless. 17. Do we use all of our brains? Contrary to popular belief, we do use all of our brains. Different parts of the brain are responsible for various functions, and even while resting, areas are still active. However, some areas may be more active depending on the task at hand. 18. Can you sneeze in your sleep? Sneezing is a reflex triggered by irritation in the nasal passages. While less common, it is possible to sneeze while sleeping. The reflex can still occur even when unconscious. 19. Why do our fingerprints stay the same? Fingerprints are formed in the womb and determined by genetics and development in the uterus. Once formed, the ridges and valleys on our fingertips don't change throughout our lives, making them a reliable form of identification. 20. Do we have extra bones as babies? Babies are actually born with more bones than adults. A newborn has around 300 soft bones that harden into 206 bones as they grow. These softer bones allow for easier passage through the birth canal and provide flexibility for growth. 21. Can you taste water? While water itself may seem tasteless, our tongues can actually detect different aspects of it. The mineral content and temperature can influence how we perceive the taste. Flat or sparkling water can also have a different taste due to the presence of carbon dioxide. 22. Why is the sky blue? The sky appears blue because of a phenomenon called Rayleigh scattering. Sunlight consists of various wavelengths of light, and when it enters Earth's atmosphere, shorter blue wavelengths are scattered more efficiently, reaching our eyes and painting the sky blue. 23. Do clouds have weight? Clouds are massive collections of tiny water droplets or ice crystals suspended in the atmosphere. Even though they seem light and fluffy, they can weigh millions of tons. The denser the cloud, the heavier it is. 24. Can animals get sunburned? Just like humans, animals can also get sunburned. Animals with less fur or hair are more susceptible, especially those with light-colored skin or feathers. So, don't forget the sunscreen for your furry friend next time you're at the beach. 25. Do goldfish have memories? Although goldfish may not have long-term memories like humans, they can actually form short-term memories. Studies have shown they can remember certain tasks, like navigating a maze, for a few months. 26. Can you smell fear? While humans can't directly smell emotions like fear, we can pick up on certain chemical signals released by the body during stressful situations. Sweat composition can change slightly in response to fear, and some people may be more attuned to these subtle changes. 27. Why do we yawn? Yawning is a reflex triggered by various factors, including tiredness, boredom, and even seeing others yawn. It's thought to increase oxygen intake and blood flow to the brain, helping us feel more alert. 28. Can we taste with our feet? There are taste receptors on the soles of our feet, but they're not for detecting delicious flavors. These receptors are believed to be remnants of our evolutionary past and may play a role in early development. 29. Do stars make sounds? While we can't hear them directly in space due to the vacuum, stars do actually produce sound waves as a result of nuclear fusion and movement within the star. Scientists can study these sound waves to learn more about a star's structure and activity. 30. Can we smell our own body odor? Our bodies constantly release odor-causing molecules. However, we quickly become desensitized to our own scent, making it difficult to smell ourselves most of the time. This is why other people might notice a strong smell that we can't detect. What's your favorite random fact? Share it with us in the comments below. If you enjoyed this list, you'll love our 20 common myths you won't believe are actually true. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you next time.